Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Live and Diecast by GB. And today we have the latest case available here in the Philippines, Hot Wheels Basic Case N. So I got this from my friends from my local store here in the Philippines, All-In Company in Michikoshi, PGC. So from Michikoshi, yeah. So let's check it out and unbox this one. So the super treasure hunt for this case is the pink Dodge Challenger Hellcat, and I believe the regular treasure hunt is the Triumph Tiger motorcycle. Okay, so let's check this out. Okay, first up we got the Power Rocket. We got a recolor of the 8th Fair. Also another recolor of the Gordon Murray Automotive T33. That's nice. Okay, and then we have the Super Twin Mill. Okay, the Super Treasure Hunt from the previous case M, the 73 Honda Civic Custom. And Dragon Wagon. Okay, so next up we have the Austin Minivan. Yeah, recolor as well. Then you have already seen we have the regular treasure hunt. Yeah, the 1966 Triumph Tiger 100. Yep, it's shining green. Okay, with the rider number 66. Yep, nice. Okay, then we have the recolor of the BMW 2002, now in blue. Nice. Okay, next up we have the also recolor of the Hoto Roto. And from the previous case, the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. Okay. We have the Later Crater. Then we have the recolor of the Ford GT in Borla livery, now in black. That's nice. Also another recolor of this is the 2018 Honda Civic Type R in blue. So it was previously in red, but then and now. Right, perfect. Also, this is a recolor for the Skull Shaker. Then we have the K-Swap. Then the Pixel Shaker. I believe this is also a recolor. And the Crate Racer. Okay. So this one's new for 2025. It's the Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet. Nice, with the pink interior. Nice. perfect. From the previous case, it's the Datsun 240Z. Okay. Also from the previous case, it's the 73 Pontiac Firebird. Yeah. Nice. Okay, next up, from the previous case as well, it's the Mercedes-Benz 500E. Also from the previous case, Mazda 787B. Alright. And also from the previous case, it's the Honda VFR 750R RC30. The beautiful motorbike. Yes, perfect. Another one from the previous case is the Pagani Utopia. Again, from the previous case is the Peugeot 9x8 hypercar. 9x8, 9x8, not, but it's the Peugeot hypercar. And another hypercar from the previous case is the Cadillac Project GTP hypercar. Okay, and again from the previous case it's the Nissan Skyline GTR R33 in HKS livery. This one I love. Yes, perfect. And the 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning, also from the previous case. And the Jaguar MK1 recolor, also from the previous case M. It says get one. Also from the previous case is the Ford Model A Custom recolor. And the Amaru GTC, also a recolor. We have Gone Mad. I think this is new for this case. So it's new for 2025. Okay, this one's new for this case, I believe. It's the Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe. Nice looking vintage racing car. The racing livery. Okay, this one's from the previous case. It's the Big Air Bel Air. Right. And this one's new to the case N. It's the Feline Lucky. And yes, this one is one of the castings for this year that I'm really looking forward to. So it's the Feline Lucky. Yes. So just like the Quick Chat. Yes, I'm sure my kids will love this, and I also love it. It's a Feline Lucky with a cat. Celebration Racers will be on September 29th. Yes, so 9/29, September 29th. So we will look forward to that day and use this casting. and you might just feel lucky. I love that one. Okay, so down to the second layer. What do we have here? Okay, we get the recolor of the Quick Bite, and also a recolor. New to this case, it's the 1995 Mazda RX-7 Drift. I think this one is the better color in red. I like that one for sure. We have the Mad Fast. Okay, and then the Roger Dodger 2.0. And from the previous case as well, the Leyen Low Rider. And the Limited Grip. It's got nice color, neon green, purple. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, and then we have the Bat Bolt from the previous case. The Bat Bolt. Okay, and this one's the recolor of the Cone Shaker. So from orange, it's now in neon green. So a lot of collectors will be stacking up this Cone Shaker again with a new color, like that. Got another Honda VFR 750R. Okay. We have the another Koenigsegg Jesko, and I believe this is a new recolor. Oh, sorry, new to this case is a recolor of the Silverado EV RST. Okay, I've seen this casting a few times already, and I think this is the one of the best color of this casting. Better color. Yeah, this one I like. In burnt orange. Looks like a metallic orange. Like that. Then we have the I believe this is new to this case. It's Formula E Gen 3. Right? Looks like a Formula racing car. Yep. Next up, we have another Datsun 240Z and another Peugeot 9x8 hypercar and another Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet. Okay, so we have another Mercedes-Benz 500E, another Limited Grip, and another Mazda 787B with some in bad card condition. Yeah, does it look good? Okay, well, okay, and then we have the Rapid Pulse, and then you might have already seen it. Okay, so this is the 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat in hot pink. So yeah, it's a super treasure hunt. So yeah, here's a super treasure hunt. So we did get lucky. We're not just feeling lucky, but we did get lucky. Wow. hot pink. Yep, it's a Dodge Charger Hellcat. Wonderful. That's perfect. Okay, we have another case swap. And I think this is new to this case. It's the Volvo 240 Drift Wagon. Looks good. Right. And then we have the custom 56 Ford truck. So this one is also another Celebration Racers 2025 for the Halloween, right? So I love this one. Last year we have the I think it's the Impala, I guess. Also in the it's a regular treasure hunt last year with the same design. Yep. So I will surely add this to my collection. Okay, we have another 73 Honda Civic Custom. And the Amaro GTC again. We have another Gone Mad. And another Nissan Skyline GTR 33 in HKS livery. One of my favorites. Okay, we have another 99 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. And another Ford Model A Custom. Okay, and another Pagani Utopia. We have another Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. And another Jaguar MK1. Another Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe. Okay, down to our last three. So we have another Big Air Bel Air. And another 73 Pontiac Firebird. Okay. And lastly, so last but definitely not the least, so to remind us that we just got lucky today, we have another feline lucky. Again, we're not feeling lucky, we just got lucky. Yep. Thank you. So that's it for case end. So it's time to pick my favorites in here. So it's well, this is a good case. A lot of carryovers from the previous case. A lot of V-colors as well. So, but if I'm going to pick my favorites, so of course we have the Dodge Charger Hellcat Super Treasure Hunt. So I haven't seen the regular one yet. I like this one. Yeah, I collect those kind of design. I have several in my collection. Definitely the feline lucky. Okay, I'll go for this one. The new Jaguar XJC V12 Coupe. I also like this one, the Volvo 240 Drift. And finally, yep, another new release. It's the Porsche 911 Turbo Cabriolet. Okay. So let's just take a quick snapshot of my favorites for the case N. Yep, there it is. Yep. So thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you guys in the next unboxing. Take care.